நார்த் இந்தியாவில் ராகேஷ் சர்மான்னு ஒருத்தர் இருக்காரு. he has great following. அவருக்கு யூடியூப்ல ஒரு சேனல் வச்சிருக்காரு. lot of people follow him. at least 50,000-60,000 people follow him. ஒரு 3 மாசத்துக்கு முன்னால இங்க வந்தாரு. நவம்பர் 5ஆம் தேதி வந்தாரு. நவம்பர் 6ஆம் தேதி அவருடைய பர்த்டே. ஸோ now டிசம்பர், ஜனவரி, பிப்ரவரி, only 3 months. அண்ட் அவர் என்னை பற்றி அவருடைய சேனலில் பேசியிருக்காரு. நேற்று பேசியிருக்காரு காத்தால. அவர் சொல்றது, என் வாழ்க்கையே மாறிப்போச்சு, பாபா பார்த்துட்டு வந்து இந்த 3 months என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையே டோட்டலாக மாறிப்போச்சு அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு 1/2 hour என்னை பற்றி பேசியிருக்காரு. அதை தான் அவங்க சொல்கிறாங்க. உங்கள் வாழ்க்கை கூட மாறும், அது நம்பிக்கை வரணும், அவ்வளோதான். அந்த ஆள் எங்கேயோ இருக்கான், இங்கே வரணும். அவனே ஜோசிக்காரன் தான், எவ்வளோ பேர் அவரை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுறாங்க, தௌசண்ட்ஸில். அந்த நேரம் வரணும். அந்த நேரம் வர்றபோது ஆட்டோமேட்டிக்காக வருவாங்க. அவங்க எதை கேட்டு வராங்களோ அப்படியே லைஃப் சேஞ்ச் ஆகிடும். ஒரு பவர் இருக்கு, சித்தர்கள்கிட்ட ஒரு பவர் இருக்கு. அது என்ன, இந்த விபூதி வர வைக்கிறது, பொம்மை வர வைக்கிறதுலாம் கிடையாது. மைண்ட்ல ஆப்ரேட் பண்றது. சித்தம்னா மைண்ட். ஸோ வி ஆப்ரேட் த்ரூ அவர் மைண்ட். எண்ணங்களால் நாங்கள் இந்த உலகத்தை ஆள்கிறோம். அதனால யார் ஒருத்தன் வரானோ அதுக்கு கால நிர்ணயம் இருக்கு. இப்போ ஒவ்வொருத்தருக்கும் வயசு ஒவ்வொன்று இருக்கும். இப்போ ஒரு பரமாச்சாரிய சுவாமிகள் இருந்தபோது ஒரு ஹஸ்பண்ட், ஒய்ஃபு, ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தை அவரை பார்க்க போனாங்க. அப்போ பரமாச்சாரியார் சிரிச்சுக்கிட்டே கேட்டார், நீ 40 வயசுக்கு வந்திருக்க, உன்னோட ஒய்ஃபு 35 வயசுக்கு வந்திருக்கா, உன் குழந்தை 6 வயசுக்கு வந்திருக்கு, அதனால உங்க 3 பேர்ல யார் புண்ணியம் பண்ணியிருக்கா தெரியுமோ, உன் குழந்தை தான். நீ 40 வரைக்கும் வர முடியல, உன் ஒய்ஃப் 35 வரைக்கும் பண்ணல, உன் குழந்தை 6 வயசுக்கே வந்துச்சு பாரு அப்படின்னாராம். ஸோ ஆன்மீகம் என்பது ஒரு அனுபவம். கம்மியா சார் பஜினா this friend is an advisor to so many thousands of people in the spiritual path. It is his own method of guiding people and working for God. So he was here hardly for 5-6 days, and in all these 5-6 days also he was traveling to so many temples. And maybe next time when he comes, he will be able to spend more time in our ashram. So we are happy that he was here. We wish he and all his parivar peace, happiness and good health.
First of all, I would like to thank Baba and at the same time thank God who has given me this opportunity to visit Ram Rajya. And believe me, my friends, this is the future in which the world is shaping up. I have always looked for oneness and never believed in one religion. And for me, humanity is the only religion in this entire earth. There is no Hindu, there is no Muslim, there is no Sikh, there is no Isai. We all are human. We are connected with Him. And that is the message we should understand. It is the time we should unite as a human, rather divide ourselves in different religions. When I came over here, my heart, my soul was filled in pain and sorrow. It was the toughest test of my life which I gave. When I came, I thought that this is the end of my life. Still, there was a calling that whenever something ends, there is a new beginning. And I declare you, the day when I enters Baba's ashram, I had a rebirth. People get birth only once in their life. I am so happy that God has given me that opportunity, that I am taking a rebirth in this life itself. It's a wonderful opportunity for me, and the creator for this opportunity is nobody else than Baba itself. So I thank Baba from my heart. I don't want my place on his feet. Listen to me very carefully. I don't want myself, my place in his feet. Though I will start from his feet, I will travel into his heart. And this is what we should understand. If you want to meet God, it is the master you will require to meet him. Imagine a plastic chair, or imagine in which Baba is sitting is not a plastic chair, is an electric chair. The current is flowing. You will not see that current through your naked eyes. You will never see that. Once you come over here and touch this chair, then you will see that shock. You will feel that shock. So a master is that electric shock which transfers his energy into your energy. It is not visible, still it is transferable. So if you want to have master, if you want to understand a master, you have to connect with him. You can't see him through your naked eyes. You have to feel him. I have got many answers in this Ram Rajya, and those answers will help me and let me help others in their journey. These last 7 days of my life are the best 7 days which I have ever lived in my entire life. When I came, I was crying in pain. But now when I will be living, my tears will be of joy and happiness, my friends. It is the emotions through which we lead our life. The more pure your emotion is, the more you are towards your God. So remain pure throughout your life. The more pure you are, the more you are aware here to achieve. This is what I can say. I thank each and every single human being, the trees, the plant, the birds, the animals of this Ram Rajya for giving me a new life. And I promise you, my friends, whatever I have achieved over here will be transferred to others in my own ways and in my own medium. And I seek Baba's blessing so that I can march ahead in my life, because I have found the purpose of my life which I was searching for last 43 years. And now the time has started. We need to conquer our purpose of our life. We are not over here to live a life, study, school, college, marriage, bacha, shadi, then go. There is a meaning. Every person who is over here is for a reason. And we never ask this question that why we are over here. The day you start asking yourself, questioning yourself, you will get that answer. So ask yourself, why the Creator has created me? This is the question you should be aware of. The more the answer is delayed, you are going on the wrong side. The better you have this answer as early as possible in your life. My good wishes to all of you, and I will say to all of you that we are in safe hands. When I say safe hands, you all know which hands I am talking about. Okay? So I thank you from my heart, all of you. I will come again over here. I am telling you, I will come again with more power. And I assure you, whatever the power, what I am getting, will be used, will be served in God's way only. I am dying so that God can enter into me. Baba said that we all are God. It is not saying you become God. It is through the purpose, the work, what you do, you become God. So believe yourself that you are God. Because the Creator has created you. So whatever the energy the Creator have, He has transferred into all of us. We ourselves don't realize that. It's better we connect and understand the core of our life. The moment we understand this, we will be liberated and we will be achieving the higher purpose and the highest reason of our life. Thank you very much, everybody. I will come back again and again and again and again because I like ginger tea. No water was added, pure milk cow's ginger tea. They took care of me as if I am the king and this is my kingdom. I have never got this kind of respect in my entire life. And this is what made me think that what I am and what I was thinking about me. So I thank all of you, especially Baba and God, that He has taken me to the right place at the right moment. Please make sure that I am there in your prayers. Baba will be there after him. Okay. So, have a smile, my friends, all of you. I will be leaving tomorrow just to come back again and again. Thank you, all of you. Please, thank you. Whenever I come to Baba, he offers me something again and again. My entire, what should I say, baggage is filled with fruits, chocolates and all that. So I have to take a new bag for my clothes.
Thank you so much.